welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week, we are going to be checking out what's new at IKEA. Guys, it has been a minute since I have been to IKEA, and I used to go like every single day. But I just renewed my lease and I am planning on redoing my entire apartment. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss those videos because it's gonna be really, really good. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I am gonna be doing a massive haul from IKEA, Marshalls, and Hobby Lobby. Before we get started, if you're not doing so already, please head over to my Instagram and check me out. My tag is @HelloKristenTV. I'm always taking you along on my shopping adventures, showing you all of my DIY projects, my home decor stuff. It's all on my Instagram stories. Without further ado, let's get started. now we're going to get into the haul portion of the video. Let's start with IKEA. I got these pink plates at IKEA. So it's 18 things total. So you get a bunch of large dinner plates, side plates, and bowls. And guys, I have been thinking about these plates forever, and I'm just obsessed with these. I don't know if you can actually see the true color of it. They're these really, really cute pale pink just dishware, and I'm so excited for them. I also picked up a set of really nice white dishes too, primarily for Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there and check me out. My tag is at HelloKristenTV. Also for the kitchen, I picked up these two little racks. These actually stand up inside your shelf, so you can put mugs on top and mugs underneath. So it's a really great way to give you more storage in your shelves. So next I picked up these really, really cute drawer handles from IKEA. And I also picked up these drawer handles because I didn't know which ones I wanted to use. I'm going to be making a video on a Malm side table hack where you can, you know, add your own drawer pulls and make it look really nice. So make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss that video. That one's gonna be coming really soon. Let me know in the comments below which ones you think should go on the Malm table. So that was everything that I got from IKEA. And now we're gonna head over to Hobby Lobby. Guys, Hobby Lobby has the cutest stuff, especially for like little kid rooms. I always forget about Hobby Lobby, and I wish I would have had more time there. They were closing at 8, I got there at 7:30, but I was able to pick a few things up. I got this welcome mat to go outside of my apartment. Guys, if you're not familiar with Hobby Lobby, for like 3 weeks out of the month, most of their stuff is half off. So they were having a half off sale on all of their rugs and like floor mats, and also 50% off all of their wall decor. So this was actually $20 and I got it for $10. So excited about this. I also picked up this really amazing boho rug. Guys, this is such great quality. I'm so obsessed with it, and I'm gonna put it in my closet. And this was $27.99 and it was half off, so it was like $13.99. I love this so much. It's really good quality too. I don't know if you can see, it's like really, really nice. So the last thing that I got from Hobby Lobby is this hanging like block bead set thing. I've been seeing these all over Pinterest and I was so excited. This was $19.99, and because it was wall decor, it was 50% off, so I got this for like $9.99. I've been seeing a lot of people put it on their coffee table or like around some decor on like a bookshelf or something. So this one has these paper clip things on it, but I don't really like these, so I think I'm just gonna cut these off. That was all of the home decor, and now we're heading over to Marshall's. I have a really hard time finding tops that I like, and I just started trying things on and I loved everything, so I just had to get it. The only problem is that they're all super wintry. They're like super fall and wintry clothes, which would be great if I lived on the East Coast, but I live in LA. I hope I get to wear this stuff more than once. Anyway, first things first, we got these basic shoes. These were only $20 and they are so comfortable. I got them for work. First thing on the list is this super cute like cheetah sweater thing. It's from Cynthia Rowley and it was $29.99 and it looks so good on. I also picked up this waffle top. You can't go wrong with these. This was only $12.99. I really like this. It's nice and light. I got this long green cardigan. This is from Steve Madden actually, and it is $19.99. And I love that it has like this slit up the side, so it's not just like a basic like cardigan type thing. This is like an orange top. It's from Vince Camuto, so it's really good quality and it feels really, really nice. It's orange and it has like this like line down the front, so it's not just plain. Really like this. It's not too heavy. This was also Steve Madden. This was $19.99 as well, and it's kind of like a shawl, but I love the colors and I think that I will actually wear this a lot in the fall. It's a great like just something to just throw over your stuff. I don't know, I'm just gonna have to do like a whole try on haul, but I love the color, and it's like, I don't know, it's so free. Guys, if you can't tell, I'm on a huge cheetah kick, and I've been seeing so many people wearing this cardigan. I don't know if it's actually this cardigan. This was $24.99 and I am so obsessed with it. I love it so much. I've been seeing lots of like other influencers wearing it. It's probably not exactly this, but it's something like it, and it's just, I love it. I love it so much. Do you like the rug? I think he likes it.
Do you approve?
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.